Okay, so we're kind of on this leafy street with lots of restaurants and a lot of bikes. So we're basically just gonna walk through it. And I don't know the name of the street, but we kind of give you a taste of another side of Xi'an and just kind of what it looks like and what it's like to walk around on this particular street, which is kind of pedestrian and kind of bike oriented. So it's quite interesting. Okay, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so we're gonna check out this leafy street. It's a lot of motorbikes. See here, a lot of honking. It's also a lot of shops and pedestrians. Whole mixed, full range of things. Try to get over on the pedestrian side a little bit. These are kind of cool. These are all the traditional clothing, so I've been seeing some people wearing these. Let me see. I guess it's better to be on this sidewalk. But yeah, you can see, you can hear all the horns. So there's basically horns being laid out all the time because there's motorbikes and pedestrians both on the same street. And there goes another one right there, and another one, and another one, and another one behind me. So I don't know if this is supposed to be a pedestrian street or a motorbike street, but it is kind of leafy and pedestrian-ish. I guess it's a mix of both. So this is where we're at. Silk Road, Lianhu District, official residence of the bodies. So, okay. So basically, there's a little bit of a tourist attraction visitors map here as well, which is all in Chinese. It basically tells you that it is a visitor area. English. Oh, here's a middle school. Oh, here's the name of our street right here. So this street's actually called, right there, Miaoho Street, Miaoho Ji. So that's the name of the street right there. Oh, I think he's... Hello, it's okay. Thank you though. And it's funny that she knew the word tuk-tuk, the English word tuk-tuk. Don't know if it's the same in Chinese or not. So here comes somebody on a bike. Okay. Oh, that's kind of interesting. Yeah, actually Xi'an is quite interesting. Very Chinese, but very... This street right here feels so interesting. Imagining a time period when it's like just trees. I always kind of imagine that it'd be nice to be just pedestrians, it's only pedestrians walking, but I guess there's always been bicycles and other stuff. Some other, maybe in the other days it was other things, I don't know, who knows. But this street kind of makes me kind of feel like back in another era where you just walk in these streets before bikes and motorbikes. I was kind of can see myself like kind of a different kind of road, right? Not paved, but just like merchants on the Silk Road. So it feels like you've been here before, you know, in another lifetime. especially since I saw that sign that mentioned it was some kind of road in the Silk Road that people would traverse. Well, at least now I got a name for this street, and I guess we'll kind of call it the Silk Road Road. Let's see how to get through this little spot. Like we got a little traffic jam of motorbikes and a big cars coming through as well. Everybody's kind of backing up to see how to get through this. He's going to direct some traffic. Guy in the purple shirt there. Hey! I have no idea how to navigate this. I wonder why you would take a big vehicle in here anyways. I guess you just wouldn't know. Right? I don't know. Wow, look at all that. Okay. I guess the best course of action for me is just to go this way, I guess. Then later try to go this way. Okay. And around like that. So that was kind of interesting. So yeah, I guess that traffic jam kind of worked its way through, but so now it looks like it's maybe back to normal. A lot of honking in this area though. Actually, I saw it all the way in the way back there as well. So we're gonna head back into the Silk Road Street. Back into it. Okay. Vehicles of yesteryear. Here comes the police. How are they gonna get through all that? That was a bus. So we're gonna try to get through. There's all this traffic, right? And everybody needs to get on the same road. But this one has all this people park here, so you can't walk down the sidewalk at all, right? So you have to go into the traffic with the cars because of the parking situation. So I guess we'll do that. Okay, I think I'm gonna keep walking past this white car, I think. We'll just go a little bit further. I guess what we'll probably do is just end this in a minute, but I'm gonna get up to that corner. So we're up at this corner. Yeah, look at that. Okay. So that's our cross street right there. Tamashiji. And I guess that little road that we're on is kind of like a Silk Road road. And I guess what I'll probably do is just, so we did that road. And that'd be kind of the end of that road for us. And now we're kind of, oh, there's some cool artwork over there. So I'll probably end up doing this in a second. There's actually a little, oh, that has like, looks a little bit of it. Muslim or Arabic. And I want to go over to this little art mural street as well for a moment. Just gonna come in here real quick and check out all this artwork. That's kind of cool. That's really beautiful artwork. Okay, so that was our street over there, and I guess we'll end it right here.